Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS, matching numbers 396, 4-speed car, guys. Killer car, man. It's got 5,000 miles on a complete frame-off restoration, but now the engine has got basically, I'm going to say 5 to 10 miles on it. When we originally looked at this car, my buddy Scott out of Tennessee is the one who got me this car. When we originally looked at it, it had a different engine in it, and this, and the matching numbers engine that's in it now was on a stand next to it. So we had the matching numbers engine put back into it. So it's fresh rebuild. So like I say, 5,000 miles on the resto, 5 to 10 miles on the engine. Pretty car, LeMans blue. It's got the black SS hockey striping on the front, and then it's also got the black vinyl top and a black vinyl interior. Great car, man. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the rally wheels on it with the flat caps. Not a whole lot to really nitpick here, guys. There's a couple of little chips on it, some stone packs, but man, this car is very well maintained. Original Tennessee car. It's got the correct SS hood, the egg crate hood. This little wax there. Nice car. Look how nice the dash is in there. Vinyl top's in great shape. Yeah, this is a pretty car, guys. Drives good, nice and tight. You can see a little stone peck there. There's a couple of little ones there. But nice, pretty car. Again, matching numbers, 396 4-speed car. It's got those are 15 by 8 rallies on the rear. I think there's 7s on the front. So there's plenty of meat on the ground. Not a huge gear in this thing. Stock 323. 12-bolt rear end, limited slip. Got the disc brake flat caps on it. Front disc brakes. Boy, nice car right there. Again, it is a matching numbers car. I think you can see it pretty good there too. Numbers are all there. 396, 3¼ horse. Stock 4-barrel, factory intake and exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the correct chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Power steering, power front disc brakes. All the front suspension's new. They have upgraded it to an HEI distributor. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. It's got all the correct GM hoses and clamps, even the spring clamps for the battery. It's got the correct big block radiator in it. And this car's got shiny black painted floors underneath it. We're going to stick it right in the front window and put mirrors underneath it. That car is nice. That's just a little, some little wax or something, guys. Yeah, dual seam vinyl top. this stuff is. This is the worst thing I see now. You see where they've touched up a chip there. Door handles are new door rubbers. Looks like the carpet's new, the sill plates are new. I think the seats are factory, guys. So a little rub mark there, but they're nice. Looks like it's got all the original seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. That's your original SS steering wheel. Couple little cracks in it. 5532 on your odometer. Factory tach and gauges. AM radio, that doesn't work. It's got your chrome ball on the Hurst shifter. Owner's manual's in the glove box. I know the AM radio doesn't work. Blower motor works though. It's got chambered dual exhaust on it. Again, 12 bolt, 323, 331 gear. Probably 323 is what I'm gonna guess. If you wanted more performance, that's one thing you could change on the car. You could gear it up, but I mean, it's not a race car. This car, it runs good, but car's all spackle coated in the trunk. Good looking car, man. Front and rear spoilers. Again, it's gorgeous underneath. We are literally going to put it right in the front window and put mirrors underneath it for when everybody walks in. You see the chambered exhaust, 12 bolt rear end. Good looking car. I know all the gauges are functional. Car just runs great, man. Ooh, pinch my dang finger. That's a nice car right there. Works. Getting all your gas. I'll show them on the other side. Check parking brake. That's one thing I didn't. Yep, parking brake works, guys. Good sound and big block. I know the radio doesn't work, the blower motor does. You can see all your gauges are functional. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Leaves coming at you. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos.